Welcome students. Hope you are well. Students, today we are going to discuss something very interesting that is about dinosaurs. Students, do you know that dinosaurs were of different types? So, today we will study about them one by one. First of all, we will discuss about Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus were one of the largest herbivorous dinosaurs. It lived 130 to 150 million years ago. Its weight was nearly 80 metric tons and was 25 meter long. It had a height of 12 meter with long neck and a short tail. Its nostrils were located above its eyes. Having longer forelimbs enabled it to browse through the branches of tall trees. Next is Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus is also known as roof lizard. It had two rows of bony plates along its back that helped it to regulate its body temperature and also to defend against carnivorous dinosaurs. It had short forelimbs and walked with its head close to the ground with its spiked tail held up in the air. Now we'll talk about Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex was also known as the king of tyrant lizards. It attained a maximum height of 6.5 meter and a length of 12 meter. Its jaws were powerful enough to crush bones and extract bone marrow. It had one of the most powerful bites with the force equal to 3 tons. It had good sense of smell and excellent hearing capabilities. This helped it to become one of the fiercest predators. Next, we will talk about Velociraptor. Velociraptor, a carnivorous dinosaur. It existed 99 to 65 million years ago. It had hollow bones that enabled it to run at a speed of 39 km per hour. It possessed large claws on each foot and its tail helped it to balance while it slashed at its prey. With the length of 1.8 meter and weight of 45 kilogram, Velociraptor was an agile predator of small herbivores. Next type of dinosaur is Giganotosaurus, also known as giant southern lizard. It existed 95 million years ago and is considered to be the king of dinosaurs. It grew to a length of 15 meters and it preyed on herbivorous dinosaurs. It had a powerful jaw with teeth having serrated edges. Now students, let us discuss about Cadipteryx. Cadipteryx is also known as feathered dinosaur as it looked like a bird. Its arms were covered in feathers and it had a fan like tail. The small dinosaur could grow up to 1 meter in length and 0.7 meter in height. It had sharp claws and a beak with sharp teeth. So, now let's have some more information. Students, do you know that Megalosaurus was the first dinosaur to be described and named? I repeat, Megalosaurus was the first dinosaur to be described and named. Sir Richard Owen coined the name dinosaur in the year 1842. The extinction of dinosaurs happened about 65 million years ago. A paleontologist studies fossils of animals. So that's all for this chapter. For your better understanding, you can have a look at page number 8 and 9 of your book.